I was looking for some ideas to make some Thanksgiving home decor and ran across over 15 neat ideas that I'd love to share with you today. These are all from the creators at Etsy, and I'll leave a link to each item in the description. Most of these items can easily be made at home with a few items and a dose of creativity. Be sure to vote for your favorite in the comments below. Once I get at least 50 votes, I'll show you how to make the winning creation. These pumpkins can easily be made with some books and patience. First, draw out the shape of the half pumpkin on the front or back cover of the book, and then use a cutting utensil, such as a razor blade, to cut through each page. Make sure that you follow all safety precautions. Finally, open the book and glue the front and back covers together, shape the book, and you have yourself a pumpkin. Use a small rolled up piece of paper for the stem on top. Use small frames for this cute wall art. No need for the glass, just use a printout from the internet or draw the words and pictures yourself. What a cute way to spruce up your Thanksgiving decor. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Use felt and string to create this tasty garland. Use orange felt for your pumpkin pie piece, with white for the whipped cream and brown for the crust. Use a hole punch on each end of the piece of pie, and then use some twine to string through your pie. Yum! Remember, it's just for decor, not to eat. Simply use 3 2x4s cut to the same length and sanded. Paint them the colors you wish, write your message on the front of each piece, and tie with a bow.
Nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day.
Either get a real or fake pumpkin and paint it a deep teal. Use hot glue to attach floral decor on top.
So hold me tight through the night.
If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to give a thumbs up to support the channel. In addition, I post videos about wigs and beauty, arts and crafts, home decor, furniture restoration, and much more. If any of these topics sound interesting to you, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more creative content. I'm working towards 10,000 subscribers, so my channel will Get some outer canning jar lids and spray paint them orange. Use hot glue to glue them together in a circle. Place a few cinnamon sticks on top, glued to look like the stem. Last, add some pieces of burlap as leaves and you are all set. For this project, you will need a jar, some fall leaves, some Mod Podge, and a foam brush. Start by applying the Mod Podge to the entire section of the jar. Place some leaves where you would like them on the jar. Completely coat the jar in Mod Podge once you have applied all of your leaves. Add a battery-powered candle inside and you have a beautiful fall decoration. Get yourself a large pine cone. Use yarn to create the hat and feet, and a bead for the nose. Super cute! Use a balloon to place leaves on using Mod Podge. Bring your leaves about halfway up the balloon to make a bowl. Be sure the entire section of leaves is covered in Mod Podge. Wait for everything to dry and then pop the balloon. Peel the leaf portion off and you have a unique and decorative bowl. Use a leaf to press into some air-dry clay. Now cut around the leaf, leaving a bit left over on the sides. Curve the outside up on the clay as shown in the picture. Let your clay dry thoroughly and you'll have a perfect little leaf dish to display wherever you wish. To make this lavish treat, you'll need pea pods, red peppers, carrots, mini tomatoes, cucumbers, a couple of dishes, and some dip of your choice. Place your dish of dip on the side of your large plate. Then layer the vegetables on the plate as shown. Cut feet-shaped carrots for the legs and a beak-shaped carrot for the nose. Last, place the mini tomatoes around the beak and watch it all disappear before your eyes. Get some mason jars and paint them the same color as in the picture. Cut some burlap to shape and place felt letters on it before attaching the burlap to the jar. Place real or faux leaves in your jars and add some natural twine around the neck with a bow to finish. Now you have some unique fall and Thanksgiving decor. Get a glass jar and apply dried flowers to the outside with Mod Podge. Then tie a bow of natural twine around the neck of the jar. Last, place a battery-operated candle inside the jar and you have some cute decor for year-round. Get some spinners and a small branch as shown in the picture. Use hot glue to attach the spinners to the branch to make a dragonfly shape. Make little antennas with part of your stick and glue it to the dragonfly. Last, paint your dragonfly any way you like. Get some orange and black fabric and a roll of toilet paper. Cut the fabric into a large enough rectangle to wrap around the toilet paper. Unroll some of your TP and place it back on the roll to make your TP more of a round shape as shown in the picture. Last, place your TP on top of the fabric and stuff the outside fabric into the inside of the toilet paper roll. Secure with hot glue and add a small piece of wood to the top to make your wrapped toilet paper roll look like a pumpkin. Or leave it as is for a cute little festive ball. Get a stick and use some fishing line to hang some fall leaves onto it. Arrange them at varying heights to complete the look. Get some acorns and paint the bottoms with a variety of colors. How fun and cute! Take a coffee filter and dye it with shades of orange and red. Then get a clothespin and paint it brown. Place the coffee filter in the clothespin as shown. Last, add some googly eyes and use some felt for the beak and wattle. What a fun craft for kids! Get some popsicle sticks and arrange them as shown in the picture. Paint the hat orange and add some googly eyes. Add a nose made of felt and draw on the smile. Last, add hay for the hair and a cute little flower on the hat.